Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to block unknown WhatsApp account messages on iPhone and Android. Are you tired of receiving unwanted messages from unknown WhatsApp accounts? Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, there is an easy way to block these messages and keep your chat list clean. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to launch WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. And if you're using an iOS device, you have to tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And if you're on an Android device, you have to tap on the triple dot icon located at the top right, and then you have to choose the settings option in the drop down menu. And once you are in the settings menu, select the privacy option to proceed. Then you have to scroll down and select the advanced option. And finally, you have to turn on the toggle right next to block unknown account messages, and you are all set. With the setting enabled, WhatsApp will automatically block messages from unknown accounts, especially when they come in high volumes. This helps prevent spam and ensures that your conversations are only with known contacts. If at any point you decide to allow messages from unknown accounts, again, all you have to do is just go back to the same privacy setting and then disable the toggle for block unknown account messages. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy WhatsApp tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.